Can the Pi network reach $1,000? Welcome to our channel, and please subscribe if you don't want to miss out on our new videos. Disclaimer: the opinions expressed here are purely educational and should not be construed as investment advice. Pi network coin, in my opinion, is a cryptocurrency with a bright future. Each month, hundreds of thousands of new crypto coins enter the market. To be more specific, the vast majority simply come up with some squeaky chummy names that were blatant ripoffs of some viral events or popular trends in the hope that the names of their coins would garner some bold recognition and engagement from users. Unfortunately, there is no utility or functionality to these coins. They lack bearing, history, a reasonable goal, maturity, and a sense of standards, utility, management, design, and network principles. Nothing. As a result, any market participant will inevitably regard them as worthless. The Picoin is one of a kind in terms of perception. They have a history and a working network, a goal, a worthy value to pursue, a respectable engagement based from a large number of pioneers, a good team, good security and management, and a strong sense of standards and principles to secure operations and deter criminal activity on the network. Picoin already outperforms more than 95% of new coin launches in this regard. If you're wondering whether Picoin will be recognized in the crypto world once it fully enters the market and gains mass popularity and usage, please just listen to me. In 10 years, it is not logical to expect the Pi network to reach $1,000. Pi should not be expected to perform many tasks. It is without a doubt one of the best crypto projects of this decade, so a price of $5 or $10 is reasonable. Even if you hold Pi for a few years, it can be seen for around $50. Currently, approximately 20 million pioneers are mining Picoin on its dedicated app. This is still in its infancy, it hasn't even been launched. Picoin is pushing things to the next level on all fronts. When it is released, 20 million or more early adopters will not allow their coins to accumulate cobwebs. It will quickly gain popularity and widespread adoption. Picoin has already become well known. So, based on your investigation, you can determine whether Picoin is genuine or not. This is the game for you if you're not afraid of crocs. Picoin isn't biting right now, but it's not too late to mine some Picoins. Download the Picoin app as soon as possible and start mining. In 5 years, Picoin will follow in the footsteps of Bitcoin. Like, share, and kindly subscribe to our channel.